In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use social media on HubSpot. Whether you're a newcomer to HubSpot or just looking to streamline your current social media processes, this guide will walk you through setting up and managing your workflows efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, you need to log in to your HubSpot account. If you don't have one yet, signing up is straightforward. Simply head over to their website and follow the prompts to create an account. Once you're logged in, you're ready to get started on leveraging HubSpot's powerful automation features for your social media strategies. Next, navigate to the Automation tab. Within this section, you'll find an option labeled Workflow. Click on it. This area is where the magic happens, allowing you to automate various tasks, which can save you time and enhance your overall productivity. Think of workflows as a series of automated steps that can engage your contacts without you having to manually manage each interaction. Here comes the exciting part. Click on Create Workflow. You'll be prompted to decide whether you want to start from scratch or use a pre-existing template. If you're new, templates can be a great starting point. They provide pre-built sequences that can be customized to fit your needs. However, if you're feeling adventurous and have specific requirements, creating a workflow from scratch gives you complete control. Additionally, you'll need to choose the object type you're working with, such as contacts, companies, or deals. Once you've set up the initial framework, it's time to define the criteria for enrolling records into your workflow. This is where you specify the conditions that must be met for a contact or company to enter into your workflow. These criteria can be based on various attributes, such as form submissions, specific dates, or custom properties you define. Getting these criteria right is crucial as it ensures that only the intended contacts are engaged in your workflow. After setting the criteria, decide on the actions the workflow should perform. HubSpot allows you to automate tasks such as sending emails, creating tasks, or updating properties. For instance, you might want to send a welcome email to new subscribers or set a reminder task for yourself to engage with a contact. The beauty of HubSpot lies in its flexibility, enabling you to tailor each action to meet your goals. Some actions offer an additional layer of customization. This could include formatting data via custom formulas. It's worth taking the time to customize these details, as it ensures that the workflow aligns seamlessly with your objectives and branding guidelines. Before you activate the workflow, it's critical to test it. Testing will help you verify whether everything functions as expected and allows you to troubleshoot any issues within the workflow editor. This step is important to prevent any unexpected errors that might disrupt your communication strategies. With your testing complete and everything running smoothly, you're ready to activate the workflow. Congratulations, you've now set up an automated social media process using HubSpot. Enjoy the efficiency and precision that comes with automating your tasks.